All right, guys, I'm going to go over a couple of the questions for writing equations of circles. Again, this is super easy, just writing the equations. And even graphing is easy, which I'm going to do tomorrow. But basically, they give you the center, they give you a point in the circle, just like we did in the practice for 1 through 3, and then 4 through 8, they've given you the radius. So on 1 through 3, you have to find the radius. So again, remember, this is your H and K, this is your X and Y. So you're just going to plug, zoom in for a second. You're just going to plug that into your formula to get the radius, which is R equals the square root of X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared. And you can type that into the calculator. So, kind of blurry, focus it. Okay, so that's R equals the square root of X, which is 1, minus H, which would be minus -3, so plus 3 squared, plus Y, which is 11, minus 5 squared. And again, I'm going to give you a calculator that will simplify radicals for you in a link. So again, that is X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared. So your radius is going to be 2 on the square root of 13. Sorry, guys. 2 on the square root of 13. So now I'm just going to plug that into standard form, which again is X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared equals R squared. So same thing, you're just going to plug in only the H and the K, and then you're going to plug in your radius and square it. So that's going to be, when I start off, before I square the radius, that's going to be X minus H, or X plus 3 squared, plus Y minus 5 squared, Y minus K, equals the radius squared. So that's going to be 2 on the square root of 13 squared. Now, when you're squaring 2 on the square root of 13, you want to make sure that you square the 2 and the square root of 13. So if you're typing in the calculator, just make sure that you put parentheses around it, just like I did when I wrote it. So that's going to be X plus 3 squared plus Y minus 5 squared equals 52. And that's your answer. So that's how you do it when you're just, when they've given you the center and a point on a circle. So that's 1 through 3. Now, when you get to problems like number 4, all you have to do is just plug it in and square the radius. So that would be X minus H, or X plus 6 squared. This is your H and K, plus Y minus K, or Y minus 4 squared, equals the square root of 47 squared. So remember, the square and square root cancel. So my final answer would be X plus 6 squared plus Y minus 4 squared equals 47. So this is really going to be a super easy week. Even the graphing is not hard. All right, let me know if you guys have questions.